I'm here on the Bitcoin 4-hourly chart, and Bitcoin is dropping here like crazy to the downside. And obviously the question is, how low will Bitcoin actually drop here right now? So, and that is something that I definitely want to talk about. I will also go into Ethereum, XRP, and Solana once again, and also the Bitcoin dominance, because there is something crazy happening also right now. So, and don't forget, guys, if you want to trade this crazy volatility that we're experiencing here right now, you can go to Bybit or to Phemex and trade with the available bonuses on both platforms with the links in the pinned comment below. So now let's jump here directly into the charts, guys. So here on the 4-hourly chart is a massive bearish pattern unfolding right now. So, and let me show it to you guys. So here is potentially a huge head and shoulders pattern forming. Up, come on. Okay, I will adopt this later. So look at this, guys. So, and this seems to play out right now. So if I put this to the breakout point, look how low we can technically go. So the technical target is a crazy target all the way down here to $52,100 approximately. So yeah, so we definitely have to take in consideration that we should maybe flip bearish here in the immediate short term, as this pattern seems to play out now. So if this 4-hourly candle closes under the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern, then we should definitely flip bearish in the immediate short term. And if we want to take trades, then we should right now only take shorts, no long positions. So about my long position, I will be absolutely transparent with you guys. I was driving while Bitcoin started dropping here. So because of that, I lost my position. I got liquidated. So, but this is part of the game. So it was not an amount that I actually cared too much about. It was mostly profits. It was actually only profits. So yeah, so obviously it was a big amount. I understand if some people say now, yeah, it was a huge amount, how can you lose that? Yeah, but compared to what I make with trading and the percentage amount that it made out of my portfolio, it was literally nothing. So yeah, I can live with that loss. So, and that is a really important lesson, guys. You should never trade with more than you can afford to lose. So it should always not really phase you if you lose a trade or you get liquidated. If it does, then you're over leveraged. So or in a too big position, guys. So now let's get back here into the Bitcoin chart. So yeah, so you see here we are breaking here now further down. So, and the next logical target, so I have to check here. Yeah, we actually broke also this low here. So now the next logical target would be the bottom of our support zone that the Bitcoin price is still trading within. So, and after that, if we would actually break lower, then it would be here, the 57,000 area, because we got supported here, there, here for a short term. So here we broke down into resistance. So that is also a key level to watch for the Bitcoin price right now, if we should break under our support box here. So then let's go here into Ethereum. So Ethereum, the W pattern that I had shown you guys obviously did not completely play out here. So we got stopped here at $4,317. I hope that some of you guys had stop losses in place, so that at least for break even, so that you did not take a loss here. So, and other than that, remember that I had warned you that we could see here a move to the downside once we are breaking this falling wedge, this rising wedge, sorry, once we are breaking this rising wedge, that we could see this happening, and also all the way down here to this bottom. So for those people that have actually shorted and kept their short, congratulations, you have met the technical target here, exactly as I predicted it 2 days ago. It was maybe an error yesterday to flip here a little bit more bullish after seeing this W pattern. That was obviously a bull trap, and yeah, that bull trap played perfectly out for the bears because they smashed us all the way down to the technical target of our channel rising wedge here in Ethereum. So, but remember guys, we see here already the bounce happening, and that was also something that I had mentioned, that I expect a bounce happening and not a further break to the downside here in Ethereum. So, and it seems that this is now exactly what's happening here. So because the Ethereum price gets here pushed back up, so, and I reckon we will close above this top of that support box. Then also let's have a look in XRP. Whoa, that looks now really crazy here in XRP, guys. So as you can see here, we have broken to the downside in that falling wedge. So even if I would adjust the line, it would not really change anything anymore. So we definitely broke it. Okay, if I would draw it like this and we would treat it as a broadening falling wedge, then it would be still intact. But what I don't like about this is that we always wicked down to the bottom of it. So we could treat it now like one. I'm not a huge fan of it, but let's see if we actually move all the way back up here and then get our breakout as we should. If not, then it might be invalidated. So if we treat it as the falling wedge that I had here, then it would be now invalidated because we have broken way too low here to keep this pattern. Then let's jump here into Solana. Here in Solana, we are forming right now a bigger M pattern, so which is obviously also a bearish pattern. So here you can see it. So if I draw here, so now let's see to what target this is pointing to the downside. So this has not broken down yet, so that would be a trade that you can still take. So that would take the Solana price all the way down to $146. Here also, I don't believe that we will get all the way down to the target. And if we do so, it will be also again a really quick wick. So I reckon if we would break here the neckline, which is sitting here at roughly $180. So if we break under the neckline, then I reckon we go to $156 with a candle close, and maybe we wick then still all the way down to 146, but I don't see a candle close down there. So it could be a really quick wick, exactly what we see right now in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So guys, remember, if you want to trade this upcoming volatility, you can still go to Phemex and get there a $3,500 bonus on Bybit. So, and with that $3,500 bonus, if you would use that for a trade with 20x leverage, it would be $70,000 absolutely for free that you can use here, and withdraw your initial deposit so that you only trade with the bonus and with nothing else. And the same goes for Phemex. There you can also trade with $1,600 bonus that is still available. So both to combine is a $5,100 bonus with 20x. It's $102,000 that are available in bonuses absolutely for free, guys, only for my community. So now let's get here quick into the Bitcoin dominance. Let me see, where do I have the Bitcoin dominance? Here. So here you can see there's no change. We are still doing exactly what I had said after the breakdown here, that we are going sideways now, and that I expect to break it to the downside in the near future. So that is still the case. So we only have to be a little bit more patient. Altcoin's obviously suffering right now a little bit with that bounce here in the dominance, but I reckon we will still head here into lower levels. If you enjoyed this content, guys, then please leave a like, smash the subscribe button, and activate the notification bell up here. I really appreciate everyone that is watching my videos, and I hope you will continue to do so. I have still some crazy collaborations coming up. Everybody that has yesterday sent me their UID number from Bybit or from Phemex, guys, I did not forget about you, but I got a crazy amount of people actually sending me their UID number, so I have to catch up with sending you all the links. So please be a little bit more patient. I am behind it. So, and everybody that has yesterday sent their UID numbers, that have signed up under my links, they will get today their link for the Discord after I finish this video and I've published this video. So other than that, thanks for watching again, and you know the deal. I will see you tomorrow.